Hey, Tanya.
What's up, John?
You're not
This is
Charlie.
not Charlie. This is our Annabelle, and this is very strange for her, but she was scratching at my leg to be up in my lap. So this is Princess Annabelle.
Yes. So we're going to talk about Splish, Splash. Royal Caribbean is going to make a big old announcement about Cozumel.
Stay tuned to hear more.
That's right. Royal Caribbean announced last week that in 2026 that they're going to make an investment in Cozumel, like their own private area. It's their Royal Beach Club. Okay, so I don't know if you're going to have to pay for it. I don't know if it's going to be like Coco Cay yet, but they're going to have a splash zone for the kids, adult swimming pool with swim up bar
I
for
love when the
adults.
ports do this kind of stuff.
Yeah. So it's going to be an ultimate beach day, they're calling it.
And
Remember,
this is going to be where?
Cozumel.
In Cozumel.
We already love Cozumel. Now it's going to get even better.
I thought they already had a pool thing.
No.
Okay.
No.
It's been a while since we've been to Cozumel. So.
Yeah. So they're saying is they're going to have a swim up bar for the adults, family friendly pools, private cabanas, activities like snorkeling, kayaking, and more. And for the food people, they're going to have a clubhouse, decorated restaurants, street market. Ooh, I like street market. That's where you can get the street tacos and burritos and
I like street corn.
yeah, street corn. A bar and lounge area with incredible views overlooking the ocean, or I'm sorry, the sea. So, not only that, that's going to be their third place. What I'm recognizing is this. So they got Liberty, which they just shut down just for a little bit. They got Coco Cay. Now they're going to have Cozumel as their own private area. Carnival is going to open up Celebration Key. They got Half Moon Cay, and they also got Princess Cay they always can use. Disney has Castaway Cay, and they just opened, what's it, Lighthouse Point, I believe it's called. It seems like more and more the cruise lines is having their own private area for security, money, to keep the money in with their cruise line. But it's also, I feel, a little bit safer.
Safer, yeah.
Do you?
Some ports, not all.
Right.
Some you just aren't sure of what's beyond the walls, you know. But some of these ports are just amazing what they do, and you don't even have to leave or pay extra because most of the pools and everything, it's all included. All but what was the one that you had to pay to sit by the pool?
That was Costa Maya.
Okay.
Yeah,
Their
believe,
port.
Yeah.
But that's for Carnival, right?
You know, I think it's for every ship because I looked and
Yeah, they
it
charge
looks
you.
like Royal
They charge
Caribbean
you
goes
for
there.
a chair to sit by the pool, not for the chair itself. You got to buy a drink. But anyway,
Yeah, that's how they do it.
That's a beautiful pool. I mean, it's a
Right.
beautiful pool, but
Right, so it's like $15 for the cheapest drink to sit by the swimming pool if you want a chair.
yeah, he's not talking about.
No. This is at Costa Maya.
Oops.
So, but with all the activities also on Royal Caribbean boats, they're trying to have activities on the island where they can say, hey, enjoy the sea life with the boat, but also enjoy land with Royal Caribbean. I think that's what they're trying to do. And I also like what Royal Caribbean did with at Coco Cay, and I guarantee they're going to do in Cozumel, where you can use their sailway card and buy beer, souvenirs, everything. That was so nice, where I didn't have to worry about bringing money onto the island. Mm-hmm. Here's the card, bam, it's good. And not only that, I didn't like the hounding.
Yeah.
You
No,
know.
I don't like that either. It kind of, they don't realize, and we've said this before, they don't realize they're getting people to not want to come to the island or walk
or
past
buy
them.
stuff. Not so much not going to the island, but buy their stuff.
And it's sad because some of the stuff's really nice, and I would love to stop and look. But when you're hounding people, we're just going to keep walking. We don't want to be hounded. If we want to buy something, we buy it because we like it, not because we're being hounded.
Right.
Hounding I won't buy from someone that's hounding me.
Absolutely. I agree 110% on that one. Like I said, this comes out in 2026. I can't wait. We're going on to Royal Caribbean 2026. So we might got to make some arrangements, go to Cozumel.
Yeah.
In 2026 on Royal Caribbean. What do you think? What? Oh, that's Sky Princess.
He's wearing princess shirt and talking about royal. Sorry.
But we're not just loyal to one cruise line. We love all cruise lines.
Yeah, if it's a cruise, we're happy.
That's
I just realized he's wearing...
Yeah, that's almost 2 years ago.
Yeah.
When we went to St. Martin, then St. Thomas got scrubbed. Then we went to St. Martin twice.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
We love St. Martin.
Yeah, that crazy times. I can't
can you-
believe that.
I got the St. Martin shirt on.
Yeah, that was crazy times back then. That was during the COVID thing.
Yeah.
So glad we're past that. So I'll have some more news about Royal Caribbean because it seemed like we've been doing Carnival. So I'm going to drum up some good Royal Caribbean news and bring some Royal Caribbean to light.
Yeah.
So you might...
In less than 30 days, we'll be on Carnival.
Yep.
And then we'll be doing our first Norwegian.
Yes.
Has anyone been on a Norwegian and a Carnival? And comment below which you like better,
Well, not only that,
or Carnival.
Not only that, tell us about Norwegian because
we're prepared. Any news you can share.
Because I'm a little not confused, but they got like anytime dining. You can dine here, dine there, do this, do that. You can just tell us what that means exactly. Let us know, please. So we got a little heads up.
It. We're going to be learning as we go.
Yeah.
Just like any time we're on a first time ship. But so that being said, are we done?
We are done.
All right.
All right. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. Ding, ding, ding. Ring the bell.
If you hear the little noises, that's Charlie down below because he realizes Anna's up here with me and
doesn't like it.
He wants to be up here.
Yeah.
So.
All right. On that note, everyone enjoy their day. We'll see you on the next video side. Love you all.
Bye.
Bye now.